Hey, be careful. Be careful, boy. Be careful, boy. That's my dukes right there. All right, Mom, we're gonna holler at you. We'll come back and get you in a couple days. I gotta rock out with no hood. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today, seen by the title, we finna go ahead and be hoodless. Everybody's doing this, why I can't do it? Why I just never gets old? If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Yep. We're gonna take this one off, man. Yeah, my dude's gotta chill for a little bit, man. She gotta chill for a little bit, but I think, I did watch a couple YouTube videos. This bolt, that bolt, you gotta take this down and take the windshield wiper thing, and then also these clips and lay it down. It's not hard, bro. It's really can be done in 5 minutes, bro. It's a 5-minute thing, so hey, we finna go and get to it. Bring it right here. Come on, right here. Just hold it over real quick. Come on, Dukes. You gotta chill for just a little bit. Just for a little while. You're going back though. Just momentarily. You gotta be chilling for a little while. You feel me? Yeah, we got Mr. Jack of all trades right here, bro. I'm a jack of all trades. I can say, man, hey, let's go jump off the Empire State Building. We gonna do it, boy. we gonna do it. We're gonna find a way not to die, man. So I need to loosen up. I need to loosen up this bolt right here, though. Hold on. I do the socket. Oh. Hey. I'm gonna sit y'all back up right quick. I gotta stop doing that. I'm alright, hold the hood though. I'm loosening this button. It's coming. Pause. Hold on.
Don't let it go back. You don't have to be careful.
I got my shoulder over here.
I'm sure that the corner's gonna hit the glass, slide down, but that's what I'm worried about.
I don't see why you want to lay it down. You want to just lay it down there? If you scared it's going to hit the glass?
No, I'm like my side's good. Like, I'll be able to just ratchet like this. Can you hold it like me? Like I'm holding it. Can you ratchet with your left hand?
No, I'm right-handed.
Over here.
I'm right but left-handed. hoodless. We hoodless. We're hoodless. We ain't got no bra on. Now we do gotta figure out what to do with this though. I ain't gonna lie. I'll figure out what to do with this. But we are hoodless. Mom finna get some of the craziest looks ever, boy.
Your boy dropped off?
Boss man.
What's up?
Hey man, I ain't got no bra on no more, bro.
What?
I ain't got no bra on no more, bro.
You gotta let them titties out?
Hey, be careful. Be careful, boy. Be careful, boy. That's my dukes right there, man. It's extra careful. Thank you, sir. Alright, Mom, we're gonna holler at you. I'm gonna come back to get you in a couple days, but I gotta rock out with no hood right now. I gotta rock out with no hood for a little bit. We got to get you. There we go. Are hoodless now, brother. You know, you're not hoodless. I want to know the crazy looks and odds that I'm finna get for surely not have no hood. Hey, you, bro, it looks so crazy sitting inside, bro. I know y'all probably, it's hard for y'all to see, bro. Just all you see is a big fat supercharged sitting right there. Let's take it out, shoot real quick. Hold on. That's so much louder. Oh man, damn. Ooh. That sounded lovely, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on. Woo. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's get right. Hold on, let's get right. Oh my God, boy. Oh, that sounds so lovely, bro.
Ooh, what that bit gonna be? Boy, that bit gonna fit so perfect. Whew. Boy, you put this motherfucker on this tire, dude. That motherfucker gonna be flying.
We're supposed to be washing the car, bro.
I don't give a damn, bro.
We're supposed to be washing the whip, bro.
Alright, bro. Just wanna put these on, bro.
You gonna put that back, bro?
Yeah, bro, I'll put it back, bro. It's nothing, bro.
There you go.
These are not heavy tires.
Let me see you spun, Bob. Yeah!
Plug it up. See, kaboosh. It's done.
Spell kaboosh.
Boosh. It's done.
Hey, bro, you can help me, bro.
Grow some muscles.
You
need to grow some muscles,
I had
bro.
the camera in my hand, bro.
Bro, it doesn't even matter. I can grab this one hand easily, bro.
All right, put it back right there. Grab one hand.
Bet.
You cheating.
Oh, you talking about like this?
Yeah.
Idiot. Fuck you talking about?
So my boy done pulled up to look at my Hellcat with the hood off, and first thing he say is it's nasty. Bro didn't even look at the car with no hood. He talking about it's dirty. Yeah, y'all see how serious this man get, boy. I thought I was gonna close the video out, but I'm gonna add all this to it. Watching this video all the way through. Make sure you hit that sub button, bro. It only takes 2 seconds. As fast as I can get to 60, y'all can hit that like button and the subscribe button. Yeah.
That's right.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Did you see how you just squirted the water, bro?
Bro,
there's no hood. Nothing. You gotta be careful.
Bro, it's not gonna do nothing.
Bro, there's no hood, bro.
I'm not gonna hit the front.
You were going a little willy dilly, bro.
Bro.
Calm down.
Fine. How about this, okay? I like mist. Is the mist good for the Hellcat? Huh? Dang it. You know what? That's how I like it. That's how I like it.
Just be smooth with the water, bro. Please.
All right, bet.
You wanna be smooth with the water, bro?
See, look how it rains off the car.
Rains and pours. This nigga went willy dilly like I don't got a hood, bro.
Bro, that's so damn fault.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I really should have washed the car and then took the hood off, but you know Nigel does stuff a little backwards. So yeah, that's on me. Hey, be careful, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
There's no hood. Be careful, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I should just dash this one.
Anywho, we're finna go ahead and get the car washed off on a real serious note.
Bro, you can't even hard wash your windshield.
Huh? What you mean?
I'm just talking, Nigel.
Yeah, we finna get this mud washed up so we can go take pictures. Get it all nice and pretty. It really already look clean already now.
No, it doesn't. This car's disgusting, bro. See what I'm saying? The car has boogers on it. Need to wash the boogers off.
Yeah, if I put this timepiece on the roller, run up a mill, nigga know I'm chosen. They know I'm a flip chain for the brodies. Shut out the ring, gang got motion. Told my twins it's all
Shit, lady.
Okay,
You
we
want soap on
just-
top of the bit?
Huh?
You want soap it up?
Not the whole thing, not the supercharger. You gotta be careful.
Well, we gotta wipe that out with the rag then.
Oh, yeah, see,
I'll wipe all that out with the rag.
Gotta be
I ain't
careful,
gotta
bro.
put no soap on it.
We can just wipe it down.
Yeah, I just gotta wipe that down.
I mean, you can add a little bit of sud, but not too much.
Yeah, no, I gotta rinse it off.
Oh, yeah, they're right.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you can rinse, like, through the front, but, like,
Brother, if I'm wiping the whole engine down.
yeah, no sir ski.
You know what I'm saying, bro? I want the whole shit look clean.
I mean, it look clean. You just wipe it down, bro.
What then? When I wipe it out, it's gonna be clean anyway. What then? I ain't got you no soap.
All right, man. So we damn near got Sally Lou cleaned up with the help of brethren over here. You know, she looking nice and clean. You know, and we also got the no top. You know, I like my bees with no top. You know, you feel me?
Dude.
Take the top off. Yes, sir.
This